Our core company is a worldwide leader in equipment design and manufacturing. And being that type of company enables us to really see what the customer's needs are for a particular product, a particular design, a particular assembly. So we feel we have a very good understanding of fit, form, function, what the customer is really looking for. We service oil and gas, the mining industry, the rail industry. Glass in particular is a very big industry for us. We do a lot of work for second-tier defense, so we can do just about anything with all of our capabilities. The thing that separates Gasbarre Manufacturing Technologies from what I feel, all of the machine shops throughout, the U.S. is that we are a machine builder as well. So we understand from design concept, understanding the customer's needs, what they're truly looking for, and being able to take that from maybe a design concept or even if it's drawings that they provide, we're able to machine, weld, fabricate, and then take all the components, put them together into a mini sub-assembly in some cases. We're able to test it, we're able to ship that product anywhere in the world. If a customer wants to entertain a blanket order, we can manufacture at our discretion based on our capacity, lead time, put components on the shelf for them. Typically it's 1 year up to 18 months. We'll go ahead and stock those parts and ship them for on-time delivery when the customer requirements